Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be making brown stew chicken. The ingredients will be in the box below. I will begin by preparing the natural seasoning. I now have my chicken here, which is washed and clean, washed with lime and vinegar and cleaned. And then I will now add my powder seasoning. Garlic powder, one tablespoon garlic powder, tablespoon of Mrs Dash, Maggi tablespoon, season up chicken, half teaspoon Adobe, one tablespoon ginger, garlic, and pimento. A few Pimento Berries, one tablespoon browning, I will now add my natural seasoning, which is onion, garlic, scallion, ginger, Scotch bonnet pepper. Then I will rub my seasoning in. I will let this marinate for an hour. I have some oil here heating now, and I will be putting in my chicken. I have my stove at medium, and I will cover for about 5 minutes. I'm just checking now. After about 25 minutes, I will add some hot water and also some more natural seasoning. A green pepper, red pepper, tomato, Scotch bonnet, carrots, thyme, add some hot water. Then I will add some ketchup. I will taste now. It needs a little more salt. Not much. I will just add a little more salt. You can adjust to your liking. And then I will let this cook for the next 15 minutes. And then it is all done. After about 35 minutes, my chicken is ready. It's ready to serve. Looking so wonderful. Tastes very nice. This is my finished dish. I stew chicken. You can have it with anything you desire. You can have it with rice and peas, whatever you want. I hope you enjoy this dish. Thank you for watching.